Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of my fellow conveners, the entire organizing and advisory committee of both the college of this 7 days faculty training program on pedagogical training for effective teaching and learning, jointly organized by K.T.H.M College, Nashik and Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, University of Delhi. I express my sincere thanks to all the participants for their support during this duration. Friends, we always take efforts to bring success to our every execution. I sincerely give credit for all our success to our visionary principal Dr. V.P. Gaikwad, K.T.H.M College Nasik, and Dr. Hemchand Jain, Principal, Deen Dayal Upadhyay College, University of Delhi, Delhi. Friends, I sincerely admit that the technical session might appear difficult to some of you to understand. We have tried our best to make the technical sessions as simple as possible. However, if any inconvenience you feel, I regret for all the same. I am very thankful to all the resource persons who spared their valuable time and contribute for the success of our effort. This FTP would not have been a successful one without their learn session. I am thankful to all you participant friends for being attentive, sincere, and consistent during all 7 days. I also express my sincere thanks to IQAC committee, advisory committee, and organizing committee of both the college for their painstaking efforts during this FTP. I wish you all a good luck for your future life. Thank you. Thank you so much.